Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, first thing, I apologize for not having a video, and it's about 2 weeks now since my last one. Quite busy, as always, but a little more so than usual. Just a lot going on. So, anyhow, just wanted to update everybody on what's happening here at the shop and the knives I'm working on. And the limited run that we were going to do, I was going to do, on March 30th, which would be tomorrow. Today is the 29th. I'm not going to do that just yet. Okay, I don't mean to disappoint everybody, but again, we got a lot going on. The phone's been ringing like crazy here, and I've had a lot of people order those Hudson Bays over the phone. So yeah, I'm looking at about 11 or 12 right now on order. So that's pushing my envelope as far as wanting to try to get any more of them out there. What I'm going to do, though, is make one or two extras available when I have that run done. Now, I'll show you the blank here. This is the full-size Hudson Bay. Okay, this is already profile ground, as you can see. They're all forged out already. The bevels are forged, and they need to be finished ground. The bevels need to be finished ground, of course. And again, that's a big knife. I forget now. Hold on a second. And by the way, yeah. Okay. 8.5. Yes, that's an 8.5 inch blade, and 13.5 inches overall. So yeah, that's a big honking knife. Now I've already got a bunch of them done. Well, to a certain degree, but I don't want to push it here, get too far ahead of myself. So we're gonna hold off on the Hudson Bay limited run for a time being, and we'll see what I have left over, energy, when I get the ones I have on order done. Now, what I am doing also, and I've got a bunch of these on order also as well, is the Adirondack camp knife. Okay, now that's this one right here. This one's done, but it's already spoken for. So this was for an order. Still got a little bit more work to do on it, but that's hang on a second. There we go. This is a very cool knife, really. I mean, it's a small. Well, there's no such thing as a small Hudson Bay or Adirondack camp knife. It's a big blade. It's not really that all that 7-inch, so 1.5 inches shorter, and it's got a different. That's the bird's beak. Okay, that's what makes it different, and of course it's smaller, but the blade is all there, as you can see. It's for those that don't want to have a 13.5 inch long knife hanging from your belt. This one's kind of the answer to that. Okay, now this one's going to have a cross draw. Okay, right hand cross draw sheath, which is a good idea, really. Now Hudson Bays you can do that too, but it's still a long knife for that. This is kind of the answer, like I said, to that problem. And that, it's cool bird's beak traditional profile there, and the heavy duty levelless bolts. Now those aren't quite traditional. I've mentioned that before, but what the hell, they look good, and they hang on. It makes for a really rugged handle. Not that it really needed it, but anyhow. Okay, so Adirondack camp knife. I've already got 4 of these on order. Thanks, George. Those are in the works. So I may make a few of those available too, if time allows, when I'm working on them now. So stay tuned, everybody, for those. Sorry again, don't mean to disappoint anybody about having anything. I'm still finishing up that last run there of the the mid-size Frontiers, doing that too. Now, what this video is, though, is a happy birthday video on top of the updates of Ray Jr. Okay, I do this every once in a while, and just wanted to show him his knife that he's getting for his birthday, and should be arriving next week sometime if everything goes right. I'll be shipping it out. Anyhow, your dad ordered this for you a while back, and there it is. I still got some work to do on it. Okay, I haven't put all the finish on the leather yet. And of course, I've got the dangler. I got the dangler part of it that goes on the back. Okay, just got to forge out that brass D-ring. I got to do that. So anyway, I just want to shoot this video. But here it is. Okay, it looks a really cool sheath though. That you know, we'll get that out of there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now this is the. See if I can say it all one line here. This is the St. Lawrence Special Edition Expedition knife. Okay, it's all there. It's the St. Lawrence knife that I typically make my pattern, but just bigger. All right, just a big knife, and I got the jimping on the back, just like your dad wanted. So anyhow. A little bit more work to do on that, a little more finish to put on it, a little bit more aging on the blade, but there it is. Now look at, I got some really nice tiger on that. Check out that side. Yeah, cool knife, big chopper, balance good though. Nice outdoor knife. So anyway, that's a lot of knife too as far as the blade goes. I think. Hang on a second. That's even. No, it's the same size as the Hudson Bay. Sorry, it's Friday. Okay, so I'm a little tired. I can't remember all these things in my head. Anyhow, yeah. Okay, checking my list here. Okay, so all right, that's it for that. So happy birthday, Ray Jr., and I hope you like your new knife. Like I said, that'll be arriving here hopefully next week sometime, and. We got lots more coming. I've got a couple of new ones coming out here, and a lot of old patterns too, trying to make extra of. But again, please, everybody, as I always mention, those of you who follow me know that I have quite the wait list. So please have patience. I'm going as fast as I can. Okay. So alrighty. Happy Easter, everybody, for all of you, the faithful out there, and Passover, if that's what's happening right at the time for my Jewish friends. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and thank you again. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch everybody in the next one. Thanks again.